Someone said that my car's that high, it looks like a Juke. I need to sort that out, don't we? So what we're going to do, let's get rid of this jukiness and super high style of the car. We're going to do something special. We're going to fit coilovers. This should be quite fun. So instead of the car being super high up, we're going to make it look somewhat cooler and a bit lower. So let's just crack straight into it. Let's just go. Ready? Blast it.
You're a little bit of everything. You can be truth or you can be lies. Today, who are you? You're a little bit of nothing. You can be right, but you can be wrong. Today, you're a fool. Somehow you do what you do. Some of the danger in you. Hold on to me. It's yours forever. Always tonight. Come back to me. Just make it better. Always
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This episode might be a little bit too quick. I think it's because all of the components to do the coilovers are inside the actual wheel arch, which makes it really difficult to film. Plus it was dead sunny, which meant it was dark and all that stuff. You know, I try, but sometimes we're going to have an episode that's a little bit like, hey, check out what we've just done. It's still cool. So yeah, the car's now low, which is fucking awesome. I absolutely love it. It's way better. I can't believe how much of a difference it makes, because I was so set on the fact that it was like, do you know what? Do I need it to be lower? It works, it drives nice. This drives so much better. So yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the other videos if you haven't already. Subscribe if that's something that you're into. I really would appreciate it if you do. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you think you could do it better. But always, like I said, just leave a comment down below telling us exactly what you would do different. Because if it's just a, you guys suck, I'm just going to probably ignore your comment. So until next time guys, see you soon. We figured we might need a bit of an extra set of hands, so we've got this guy. You might remember him from the very first ever episode. It was the
This 370Z.
but he's foreign and he likes the sun, and this is probably all he's gonna do. I think he's asleep. So yeah, let's just crack on.